Good day everyone, this is Gran Putabco.
And I'm Ronangelo Constantino.
And I'm Christian Xavier Dosena.
And this is our project for midterm, BMI calculator. Okay na.
First, enter height in meters to identify someone's height in meters, and enter weight in kilogram to identify someone's weight in kilos. Is convert the input into float. Write BMI, then input weight and height inside of the function. Then convert the height to meter and put asterisk to asterisk then 2 outside of the function. Print body mass index BMI.
Determine the BMI category. It prints whether the person is under classification of underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obesity. We put if and BMI less than sign and equal sign 18. Then print 18 for underweight, and we put L if 25. Print 25 for normal weight. And also we put L if 30 for overweight and else for obese.
For the output, enter your height into meters and the weight into kilogram.